Google is launching a new update of its Google Home devices in the UK to allow free calls to landlines and mobiles. Voice calls were originally enabled in the US/EU in August, and now they make their way to the Google Home and Google Home Mini devices in the United Kingdom. The British will be able to make free calls by calling any contact stored in a Gmail account or calling companies. The voice call is free whenever you call landlines or mobile phones in the UK, but international calls are not included. Google originally launched its smart home speaker in the United Kingdom last April, exactly 6 months after Amazon launched its own devices in the United Kingdom. Google lowered the price of Amazon Echo on launch in the UK, and the addition of free calls to landlines and mobiles will be an attractive feature for those who still decide between an Echo device or Google Home. Amazon launched its own message and called its Echo devices in the UK in September, but cannot use it to call landlines or mobile phones at no charge, as it only supports calls to Echo devices or calls through the Alexa application.